Guys, believe me, the voice tool I'm going to show you will totally blow your mind. Just feel this voice. You don't think it is good enough to start your YouTube channel.
Okay, still recording your own voice for every video? What if I told you that you can get a natural sounding AI voice in minutes without a microphone? Let me show you. I already know there are many AI voices in the market that sound robotic, but this one is different. Believe me. And this tool is perfect for new YouTubers. Now, there are many reasons you don't want to use your own voice. Maybe you don't like your own voice. You don't have a good microphone. Recording takes too much time. You are shy or don't want to reveal your identity. Or maybe most free text-to-speech tools sound fake to you. But believe me, that's exactly why I started looking for a better text-to-speech tool. And the tool I am about to show you is one of the best tools. Not only in the market, but in the world. And believe me, I have already seen many big YouTubers using this tool. So what do you have to do? Simply, I am providing the link in the description box of this video. When you click on that link, you will open this tool. Now, if I show you the dashboard, you can see there are many features available. But right now, I am specifically talking about text-to-speech. So I am showing you a demo. This tool also has some amazing features like voice changer, speech to text, and dubbing. One of the best features I like is dubbing, so I will show you that feature in the next video. But right now, I am showing you this one. Let's say I have pasted some text here. This is just demo text to show you how it works. So let's listen to this voice.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple AI tool that can create realistic voiceovers for your YouTube videos in just a few minutes. Let's get started.
Not only this, but you can also change the speed, stability, similarity, style, exaggeration, and many other settings. You can also change the output format. So let's say you are okay with this voice. You simply have to click on download, and your voice will be downloaded. Now let me show you something else. Simply click on voices. I have already added some of my favorite voices here. Let me show you.
Hey, Adam here. Let's create something that feels real, sounds human, and connects every time.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We are back today to talk about the new Apple product and why.
Hey, you. Yeah, you scrolling right now. Stick around for just 6.
Just listen to these voices. These are not normal voices. These are some of the most realistic human voices. And if you go to explore, you will find even more voices. Just click on voices, and here you will find a complete voice library. From here, you can select the language, tone, and style, like conversational, narration, character, social media, educational, advertisement, and many more. You can also create your own voice. Let's say I am looking for a studio quality voice. I select male, young, and leave the other settings as they are. Now let's see what happens. There are hundreds of voices available. You can also see how many times each voice has been used. As you can see, the list goes on and on. It is a huge library of voices. So I hope you got my point. This is one of the best tools you can use. Let me play one more voice.
If you get super duper scared to read out loud in class and feel like you're gonna puke, guess what? People love watching 60-second documentaries. The trick is finding an 11 Labs voice.
You can find the tool link in the description box of this video. You will get 10,000 free credits when you click on my link. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.